the heat has actually eaten away at all of that solidified crap that was building on the edges, and it's completely liquefied everything. So yeah, learning experience. I've monitored this for so long, babysitting. I'm hoping it doesn't go out of control. But if I leave it long enough, apparently this will be a result, and you'll have this molten sulfuric nitrate or sulfuric sodium left over. Sodium sulfide. So yeah, I think that's basically liquid sodium sulfide and sulfuric acid as the pool, and the edges is what remains of the nitrate salt to be dissolved and turned into liquid nitric acid. Well, vapors, nitric acid that will be condensed to liquid. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen this, and I thought it'd be worthwhile to record it. Look at it go. I hope that's not boiling sulfuric acid, because I don't want to collect the boiling vapors of sulfuric acid, but then again, it would have to reach an incredibly high temperature of about 300 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on the atmospheric pressure is about 110 Celsius, so hopefully it's nowhere near that temperature, but unless the thermometer is dipped in the liquid itself, there's no way of knowing. And so far, I probably have about 300 milliliters of nitric acid, and I've put in, let's say, roughly 650 grams of sodium nitrate, and then I've entered 375 milliliters of sulfuric acid. And if I guess, based on doing a 2-to-1 ratio with a little bit of surplus on the sulfuric acid, I'm getting about an 80% yield in volume, just to estimate based on how much sulfuric acid I'm adding. So if I add 100 milliliters of sulfuric acid to a ratio of about roughly a little less than 200 grams of sodium nitrate, I'm thinking based on the 100 milliliters of sulfuric acid, that I'm going to get roughly around 80 milliliters of nitric acid. But that's just a guess. It's not scientifically calculated or anything, but that's just guessing based on my results and based on how the efficacy of this setup I've made so far. So hopefully that holds true, and I can get a general idea of how much to stuff this with before I reach the limit to how much a 500 milliliter boiling flask can actually hold. And it's been great so far. And yes, awesome. My little spout here with my Teflon washer I cut out myself has not had any breach where the nitric acid is actually eating the plastic like the one before it. And so this is holding true, which is freaking fantastic. Because that's another thing I've been really worried about. Well, I'll come back with more results later. Bye-bye.